Today, I want to walk you through an ultimate guide for itchy, dry, or flaky scalp, and a simple routine that can help bring your scalp back into balance. And that's not it. I will share a list of natural ingredients you need for a healthy scalp in the end. People often assume an itchy scalp with recurring flakes is definitely dandruff. But most of the time, an itchy or flaky scalp is actually an early sign that your scalp barrier is stressed. When the scalp barrier becomes weak, the scalp turns much more reactive and prone to irritation. So today I want to walk you through how to actually heal an itchy, dry or flaky scalp and the simple routine that can help bring your scalp back into balance. Hi, I'm Kasturi, a sensitive skin and hair care expert with over a decade of dedicated experience and co-founder of Oleum Cottage. My passion lies in harnessing the power of plant oils for their therapeutic use and in advanced cosmetic formulations to create hair care and skincare that truly works. Over the years, one thing I've seen very clearly is this. Most scalp issues are about the scalp environment becoming unstable. And once you understand how the scalp works, making it stable becomes much easier. Now, just like the skin on your face, your scalp has something called a skin barrier. This barrier is made of skin cells and natural lipids that help protect the scalp. Its job is to keep moisture inside the skin of your scalp, protect the scalp from irritation, and support healthy hair follicles. When this barrier is healthy, your scalp feels comfortable. But when the barrier becomes damaged, you may start experiencing itching, dryness, or flakes, or scalp sensitivity, sometimes even hair fall. And interestingly, this damage is usually done by us slowly through our everyday habits. Many people unintentionally weaken their scalp barrier with routines like washing hair too frequently, using very strong shampoos, very hot showers, scratching the scalp repeatedly, using multiple harsh treatments one after another. Now, each of these things strips away the natural oils that protect your scalp. Once those oils are lost, the scalp becomes dry and irritated. That's when flakes and itching begin to appear. So let's understand the steps to support your scalp barrier. Step 1. Restore the scalp's natural oils. The first step is replenishing the scalp's natural oils. This is why traditional hair care often includes regular scalp oiling. A nourishing oil blend like restorative oil for skin and scalp. This can help soften flakes and support the scalp barrier when used consistently. Applying just a small amount to the scalp and allowing it to sit for a few hours, of course after massaging it in, or overnight, it can help soften your flakes. Step 2. Gentle cleansing. Many shampoos remove oil too aggressively, which can actually make the scalp produce more oil to compensate, leading to oiliness and irritation. Using a milder shampoo like a restorative shampoo that cleans without stripping helps maintain scalp balance. Step 3. Break the itch-scratch cycle. If the scalp is already irritated, scratching can make things worse. So every time we scratch, it creates tiny injuries that increases the inflammation. Using a calming lotion like an anti-itch lotion can help reduce irritation and break that itch cycle. Scalp healing is not instant. Your skin takes time to regenerate and the scalp barrier needs time to rebuild. Most people begin noticing scalp changes in 6 to 8 weeks in forms like less itching, flakes becoming softer, and the scalp feeling calmer after washing. Now, these small changes are signs that your scalp environment is stabilizing. If you've been struggling with an itchy, flaky scalp for a long time, remember this. When you start supporting the scalp barrier with nourishing oils, gentle cleansing, and calming care, the scalp can slowly return to balance. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to check the list of ingredients in the description and tell me in the comments, what scalp issue do you struggle with the most? Is it itching, flakes, dryness, or hair fall? And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.